Ooh, wow.
What about the other
That's
side?
fun.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, and there's a United
It's
States.
got all these in there.
Wow.
Ooh, and animals
That's
and
awesome.
ocean.
Fish. I think I see where you live.
How many pieces?
Look at Arkansas.
That's your state.
Nanny, is there 50 pieces in that puzzle?
Oh no. You said 3 and up. I thought that.
$4.25 piece.
What's this?
A picture tag.
Hey, look. You got another card. Can you open it?
Open your card.
We gotta find out who these are from.
Here, I'll help. Look. Okay, now take it out of there. What is that?
No.
Who is that?
What is it?
I know.
Who is that? Does that look like Daniel Tiger?
Yeah.
It says, grandson, you're the greatest.
What's that?
Greatest.
Let's see if we can.
Greatest.
Is it open? Look.
Look.
Look at there.
Hope your birthday is too. You are a very sweet boy, and we love you a lot. Keep on being the great kid you are. Love Nanny and Granddad. We say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.